Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest tech products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the SAMA IM01 Pro BKG Micro Atx Mini-Itx computer case. This sleek and high-performance case has caught our attention, and we'll dive deep into its features and benefits. The SAMA IM01 Pro BKG boasts a striking design with a metal mesh panel and a tempered glass side cover. The combination of steel and tempered glass not only gives it a premium look but also ensures durability. The black color variant adds a touch of elegance, making it a perfect fit for any gaming or workstation setup. This case supports both Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, offering flexibility for different build sizes. Whether you're planning a compact gaming rig or a powerful workstation, this case has you covered. The SAMA IM01 Pro BKG provides various cooling methods, including fan cooling, air cooling, and liquid cooling. It comes with a pre-installed 120mm silent fan to kickstart your cooling setup. Additionally, it can accommodate air-cooled CPU coolers up to 166mm and 280mm water-cooled radiators, ensuring efficient heat management. Connectivity is key, and this case offers USB 3.0x2 ports, HD audio, and a convenient Type-C port on the front panel. You'll have easy access to all your peripherals and devices. Assembly and maintenance are made hassle-free with snap fasteners on the front panel, top panel, side panel, and bottom plate. The buckle design ensures quick disassembly and assembly whenever needed. The case features an adjustable PSU location, allowing you to optimize cable management and airflow. This flexibility ensures a clean and organized interior for your components. The SAMA IM01 Pro BKG can accommodate a maximum CPU cooler height of 166mm and a maximum GPU length of 280mm. You'll have the freedom to install high-performance components for your computing needs. You can find this product on Amazon for $89.99, making it a competitive choice in its category. However, please note that it may not be shipped to all international locations, so check compatibility before purchasing. The SAMA IM01 Pro BKG Micro ATX Mini-Itx computer case impresses with its sleek design, versatile cooling options, and convenient connectivity. Its build quality and compatibility make it a compelling choice for both gaming and professional setups. If you're in the market for a high-quality computer case that offers great value, consider the SAMA IM01 Pro BKG. That wraps up our review for today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more tech product reviews and insights.